How's it going? I'm gonna do a quick like a sandwich kind of, I hope that's what it's called, dump with some blues and silver and some white. So really quick, this is kind of my warm-up pour before I get on to the other stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna start with let's see, I have some titanium white. These are gonna be on the thicker side. Just trying out something. So gonna drop some of this in. It's 1 part paint, titanium white, 2 parts Owatrol Floetrol. Okay, so I'm gonna put a bunch there. And then let me think. This is phthalo blue. This is phthalo blue with some, I added some silver. But you know what? I think I'm going to actually put some silver down first, just a little. Okay, and then we're going to go for this. Oh, let's break it up with a kind of doing a practice pour for my niece. So she wants a bigger one. Although I don't think I'm going to put in I think I'm going to leave the green out. Yeah. Just going to go with some blues. I'll change of plans, right? Okay. You know what? Okay, this is green I mixed with it was green and then phthalo blue and some silver. Here's what I'm gonna do for this. I'm just gonna drizzle this across the top, or layer it across the top. I'll probably regret this, but sure, we won't know if we don't try, right? Okay. Just to get something in there. Okay, and now we're gonna layer actually should have sandwiched that in between. Okay, our white on top. That'll nice and close so it doesn't sink straight away. And try and cover as much as I can. Okay. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna just go get my torch ready. Should have already had it ready, sorry guys. Now let's dump. Got my torch. I'm gonna dump and here we go. So all paints are mixed, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, Owatrol. This mix has just a small bit of water in it. Okay, so cheers, guys. Let's see. Hopefully we get something. Okay. I'm gonna just tilt that way a bit so it doesn't all, I must not be level here. Let me pull up my, uh-oh, and I lost my pack. Okay, well that's not good. That's not good. And that's not, what is going on? Don't start with me today. Okay. Okay. I'm just putting some more white down to give it something to flow with. So we don't have to pour it all off. Let's go for it, yeah? We're just gonna kind of go, I'm kind of looking for more of like a satellite-y image, but we'll see. I'm trying not to get all that over, but it's probably gonna go. Let's catch it like that. Kind of underwatery, isn't it? Underwater, satellite image, all good. I always think these types of pours are good for after they're dry to, say, embellish with some text. Maybe something like breathe or you know, some motivational kind of wall art. Now I don't really do many of these, but sure, why not mix it up a bit, huh? I don't want to lose this. It's definitely pretty. Glad I topped that little green off on it. I think for my niece, I'm gonna do a, I think I'm gonna add gold and use my satin vintage paint to get the more cloudy kind of look. And maybe do a flip cup. Or a pour, I don't know. I'll go for some clusters in there. Why not? Oh, that's actually pretty. I wasn't really going for the lots of cells, but sure, we'll just go for it. I'm just talking, love.